Good evening, Abdul. Let us wait for 1 more minute or 2 minutes before we start
Ma'am, your sound is breaking.
studying. Okay? Just 1 minute, Mujahid.
Okay.
Ayush and Mujahid, let us wait for 1 or 2 more moments for Aradhya and then we'll start the class. Okay, beta?
Okay,
Yeah, by the
ma'am.
time, settle yourself and revise what we have studied in our last class. At least remind that, memorize that. What was Shall we start the class, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, by the way, why you guys have joined so late today?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Saturday vibes are coming, huh? Already weekend ka.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
Ayush?
playing game. And I forgot about class.
Good, at least you didn't join it 3 minutes before, like last time you did.
Ma'am, Mohit is.
Yes, Mujahid, what was that? Show it to us. What was that book?
Not a book, ma'am. You show us a book. Sports Day.
Oh, nice. It is a project or a certificate?
No, ma'am. It's a your second homework, but attached image is not coming.
Okay. There must be an option, bacha.
Yes, ma'am. But the image is not attaching.
Why image is not attaching?
I am also do that thing, but not attaching. Attach.
It's fine, it's fine. Try once more. Just check your image is properly clicked, okay? Then it will
Ma'am,
get
I
attached. Yes?
didn't join.
Who has joined?
Ma'am, Adya didn't join.
Okay, so shall we start?
Yes, ma'am, we start.
You know? Let us
Yes.
start. Just let me get the hostship and then we'll start. Okay, beta?
हो गया
What?
होमवर्क ही गायब हो गया
कौन गायब हो गया है?
होमवर्क
Home. Okay. It's fine. It is fine. Okay, here I've got the participants. Just, just 1 moment, beta.
His name is poster writing.
Oh, wow.
I like this poster. Keep
This
it up.
was the poster. You did that this much hard work for me.
I like it. This is very good.
Wow.
Ma'am, it's a homework. Poster writing advanced. English course.
So good. It is so good, beta.
I like it. Keep it up.
Hmm. And where is yours?
Ma'am,
Mr. Keep it up.
ma'am, my drawing is not good.
Areto, what you will do in exams? You will just say my drawing is not good. You will simply say that it is so beautiful, Mujahid. It is so beautiful.
Ma'am, I don't know how to draw. I like only writing, not
Hmm.
drawing
Okay.
and
Okay.
learning only.
Ma'am,
Just 1 minute. Yes. Mujahid, please show it again. Oh, from a distance. From a distance. Beta, don't play with that camera. Keep the camera at one place.
Webcam.
Hmm. It's so good. It is so good.
I like it.
I too liked it. Shabash, mere cheete. Shabash. So, shall we start? Ayush, you're crying?
No.
Where is Mujahid? I cannot see him. Where is that little fellow?
ma'am,
Yes.
you can see me.
No.
I can see me.
I can see. This is a fun thing you guys are doing today. Ayush, concentrate here.
Ma'am, I got a Charminar.
Who built? Just tell me one answer, okay? Give me the answer and that too very properly. I'm gonna ask you a question regarding the Charminar only. The question is, who built Charminar?
Muslim.
Hmm? Tell me. Okay, just tell me where it is. Where it is situated.
Hyderabad.
It is situated in Hyderabad. And who have built it?
Ma'am, I
Who
don't.
built Charminar? Mujahid, can you tell?
Mazdoor, ma'am.
Hmm?
Mazdoor.
Wow, such a logical answer.
I
Okay.
don't like this answer.
Mujahid, who built your, whose house is this? Who have built your house?
I don't know.
Where you are living, whose house is that?
I don't know, ma'am.
Array, that is your house,
Your
right?
family house. Your family house. This house is your
Okay,
family.
let us not go in that deep. What I wanted to say is the person who orders anything to be built, that person is the owner who have built that monument. So Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah was the person who have made who have given order and who have made the Charminar. Okay, it was being made, it was being constructed in the year 1591. We are in 2021. It was
Yes, ma'am.
being made at 1591.
500 years.
You do the subtraction. You know,
Okay, I will do.
Ayush, you do the subtraction. I will study informal letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Seriously. Beta, pay attention here. Ayush,
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, on which year?
2021, then subtraction 1591.
Ma'am, I have submit my
Hmm.
poster writing.
You sent that?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, it is good.
And I want to share my screen.
Sure,
minute.
sure. Just 1 minute. Let me. Okay. Now, share your screen. Okay. I have to give you the host chip for that, right?
Yes.
Now you're so happy. Where is that? Given.
Yes. I am take a picture and
I have
open,
taken a picture.
attach,
Yeah.
uploaded.
Yeah. And then finish homework at your right. Finish homework. Yeah, that is done. That is done.
Ma'am, 500 years. I know the
Yes.
answer. I
Mujahid.
know.
Okay, sorry. Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
you have no. I was just asking Ayush. Ayush, are you sure आपने correct subtraction किया है? Mujahid, make me the host.
Ma'am, how to take?
Mujahid, don't do this. Okay. Now go to participants. Can you see participants there? Downside. Yeah. Click on the participants, not the arrow. But
No.
down there in a screen. Then click on
Go to Zoom.
for
Zoom.
more.
Zoom. Where you are doing the homework. No, you are the. I don't know what to
And
talk.
Done?
yes, you are host.
Yeah, to stop sharing your screen. Can you see this now? Can you see the screen? It's fine, Mujahid. Don't be confused so much.
No.
Ayush, you are upside down. Don't be a Spider-Man, beta.
Ma'am,
Keep your device properly. And see, we have wasted 20 minutes. You guys are having fun. Seriously, Saturday vibes. You both are getting Saturday vibes, right? Sunday is a holiday.
I like Saturday.
You like Saturday. Okay. So, chalo. Let's start with informal letter. What do you mean by informal letter?
Inform anyone. Inform a letter. Ma'am, I am informing Sports Day,
Hmm.
Friday, 19th September. Yeah, Feb.
Ma'am, I do the homework, but I write the poster.
Okay, you've written the content.
Yes, ma'am.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. That is under review, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Marks.
Yes. What you?
I want a marks of this for
You want
showing.
marks for this? I just wish I can give you 11 out of 10. It is so good. You've made very nice homework. You've made really very nice. I'm really overwhelmed, right? Because Ayush never do the homework. Aradhya always forgets doing the homework.
Ma'am, I do
Ayush
the
forgets. Ayush forgets class also.
homework. Ma'am, no, I don't forget the class.
Yes,
I attend
Acha.
every class.
So who have joined at 8:57?
I am not. He is my ghost.
Wow. Very good. This is a good answer. Very good. Very good. Okay. First of all, Ayush, sit properly. We're studying here. We're not having fun. Okay. Now be very concentrated, beta. The activity which we are going to do today, the topic which we are going to study today, that is very interesting. That is very interesting. Very, very interesting topic it is. It is informal letter. See, letter means when we try to communicate with any person or any organization. Okay, letter is that. So informal letter, what do you mean by that? There are two types of letter. दो कैटेगरीज होती है बेटा लेटर्स की. हम दो तरह के लोगों को लेटर्स लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट इज फॉर्मल, another is informal. Okay, पहला होता है फॉर्मल. मुजाहिद, stop playing at the screen. Okay, concentrate here. है ना? Now concentrate here. So there are two types of letter. One is formal, another is informal. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so formal letter means when you are writing any letter to any organization, principal, teachers, or any other person who is formal. कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति, आयुष,
Yes, ma'am.
या सो कोई भी ऐसे व्यक्ति को जब आप लेटर लिखते हैं, कोई भी ऐसा व्यक्ति या कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जो कि फॉर्मल है बेटा, जैसे कि आपके प्रिंसिपल दैट मीन्स ऐसे लोग जो आपके काम या पढ़ाई से जुड़े हुए होते हैं, द पीपल हु आर कनेक्टेड विथ यू एज एन ऑफिस एंड एज एन योर एजुकेशन और वर्क, जो भी आपके वर्क या एजुकेशन से जुड़े हुए लोग होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज योर फॉर्मल मेट्स, आपके फॉर्मल मेट्स होते हैं. ठीक है? सो जब आप किसी, whenever you are writing letter to any formal organization like your school principal, आपके municipal corporation को you are writing letter to any editor of the newspaper, इनको आप लिख रहे हो, तो बेटा ये हो जाते हैं formal letter. Now informal letter, it is a very fun filled letter writing. ठीक है? Informal letter क्या होता है बेटा? Informal letter is that type of letter which we write to our friends and our family. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Informal letter is that kind of letter that we write to our friends and our family. Okay? Okay, what is informal letter? Whom do we write informal letter? Speak up. Mujahid, keep yourself unmute. बताइए बेटा, whom do we write informal letter? हम informal letter किसको लिखते हैं?
Principal, office, for
Informal letter, Mujahid.
education.
Informal letter.
Letter.
What?
लेटर किसको लिखते हैं?
Yes, whom do we write this kind of letter?
टीचर को.
That is why I say concentrate here. And you're smiling, you're not even answering.
For education and office.
No, that is formal letter, beta. जो हम किसी organization or any people related to your work or education. ठीक है?
Informal
Informal letter we give to
Informal
and
letter we
another
write
person.
for.
for
What?
a person.
only one.
To whom we write informal letter? To our family and our friends. हम अपने family या friends को लिखते हैं informal
Ma'am,
letter.
I am correct. I am correct.
Hmm.
I am correct.
Yes, obviously A for apple नहीं है तो sorry, A for ball नहीं है तो A for apple ही होगा. It is like that. You're just having two options. One is not working, that means another is the answer. Exactly. Okay. Who is watching a video?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is watching a video? Mujahid, is it you?
No, ma'am.
Mujahid? Munit? See, I caught him. That is what he's doing, not concentrating at all. Okay, all right. So informal letter we write to our family and our friends. Take a bacha.
I am listening also, ma'am.
Beta, aapko, you do not have to listen also. You just have to listen and understand. Your 1 hour, please concentrate here in their studies. Then after you can do whatever you want to do whole day. You're having 23 hours in your hand. And here we are just for 1 hour. Just for 1 hour. Right? Concentrate here. Whatever we are studying, just for 1 hour. Rest 23 hours and 3 days of your week. Do whatever you want to do. But the another 3 days, out of those 3 days,
That
just
is not
1 hour.
listening.
I'm listening, ma'am. I just saying that thing.
Seriously, you're taking it as a joke. Muneet, बिल्कुल ध्यान दो बेटा. ये videos, ये वो, you are having your computer system at home, बच्चे. You are not going anywhere. ये 1 hour concentrate करिए आप पढ़ाई में. Concentrate कीजिए बिल्कुल. God bless you, Ayush. Not to you, Muneet. Now, okay. So, do you know anything about letter writing?
Ma'am, I know.
You know what you know? What do
ma'am.
you know?
I know letter. How to write letter.
You know that already. So good. Now, have you ever written a handwritten letter to somebody?
No, ma'am.
No, you haven't written any letter to anybody
No,
yet.
ma'am.
कभी किसी को letters नहीं लिखे?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, it is fine. Okay,
Ma'am,
yeah,
the
right.
post office is very far from my house.
Okay, okay, okay. It is fine. It is fine. Just to write a letter, it's fine. Don't worry. You will be writing letter, and I'm telling you, many letters you will be writing. Now, what we will be understanding today is we will be understanding how to share information with very good vocabulary. Nowadays, we are using WhatsApp. We are not using proper language to communicate. Is it? No, we are not using any proper language to communicate. But by letter writing, what we will be understanding how to communicate properly in a proper language. Okay? Munit, again, you are doing something else. Now, what else we do? We strength, we enable, we provide Bonvita to our vocabulary. हम अपनी vocabulary को Bonvita देते हैं. Right? Energies. हम उसको न्यू वर्ड्स देते हैं, हम उसको न्यू न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि वो और हमारा वोकैबुलरी ग्रो करे. Our vocabulary tree will grow. Muneet, last time I'm giving you a warning.
Ma'am,
Concentrate here.
kick him from the class. Kick him from the class.
No, I'll get into his system, his laptop, whatever device he's using. I'll really pull your ears now.
It is my laptop.
I'll get into it.
My laptop is crowd.
Okay. Oh, it's fine. Now, here, so funny, as in so fun, I was telling you what we do today. We will be understanding, learning new words. Okay? So, हम हमारी vocabulary power means vocabulary power मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Words जानना. है ना? You know some particular words only, है ना? आपको कुछ words के बारे में ही पता है. There are many words in this world which you do not know even.
I have
है ना?
a dictionary, but
So,
where?
so the dictionary which we have here, we will be providing Bonvita to that dictionary. We will be providing many more words
I
and
will eat
nutrients
this
to it,
Bonvita.
so that हमारा vocabulary tree और बड़ा हो जाएगा और grow करेगा. Okay, so we will be using metaphors, idioms. I'll tell you what are those. What are they? So we will be using metaphors and idioms as well. Okay, and we will understand how to talk with our relatives and friends and how to write them. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Now, earlier time में क्या होता था बेटा? जो kings and queens and that kind of ages, there were no cell phones. है ना? So how the information have been passed?
Ma'am, I know.
It is written on the screen. Tell
Ma'am,
me.
pigeon.
Yes, by pigeons and by messengers. Now, earlier time, there were no cell phones, no any institution like post office, DTDC or Blue Dart, like any of the institution जो कि हमारा document, letter or any anything which we want to transport it from one place to another, उसको कहीं पे भी ले जाया जा सके. तो earlier what happens, जो kings होते थे वो they used to keep person, वो पर्सन रखते थे अपने साथ, उनको सैलरी बेसिस पे रखते थे, so that any message is being sent by any king, that will be taken by that messenger. Messenger boy or messenger man, anybody that could be. ठीक है. So वही concept धीरे धीरे postal services ने ले लिया. They are the messenger boys right now in our life. Now, as in now 2021, हमारे messengers कौन है? हमारे messengers है WhatsApp and the text message we use, emails we use, right? Emails we write,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, and many more ways to convey the message. Now, this is how the little birds and pigeons used to take away the letters. Actually, they do not used to hold that in their beak. The letter was being tied in their feet. Okay, this is how they used to carry the message box. So this is a poem. This is a poem that is being sung by that particular bird. Increase volume of your devices so that you can hear it.
See the sun shining in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? I gotta sing out loud and say that it's a beautiful day. We're running in the sun. A beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I wanna do. Yes, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you. Look around, there's a world of beauty, from the mountains to the sea. And there's a wonder around every corner, awaiting there for you and me. 'Cause it's a beautiful day,
When I go
we're running in the sun. A beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I want
Something?
nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Let's complete it.
to do. Yes, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you. I'd like to share it with you. I want to share it with you. Yeah.
Wow, that's a very nice song. Is it?
Monster Math presents a
It was very good song. It was a very good one. So
This song
what was
volume is
that
so
song? That song was A Beautiful Day.
this song sound is very high.
Yeah, it's fine. That is why I have told you to, you can manage your devices, your device ka volume, okay, accordingly.
I always use high volume
Yeah, you should keep it in
and
a
I am using earphones.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, Mira, get back to the study mode, okay? That song is over. Now, here, like today, have you ever thought what will happen if you write a letter to your friend? Like, just not, don't go towards the friend. You are having your brothers and sisters, right? So,
Yes,
whenever you fight with them, just try writing a good letter to them. Okay, so they will feel very happy. They will feel really very happy. I'm telling you, that is my personal experience. Okay, try writing letter as we will be learning today. Letter in Hindi, what does it mean? It means khat. है ना? या पत्र.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, okay. So just imagine this could be your letter to your siblings or any your friend. Now, what is an informal letter? Let us understand that. What do you mean by an informal letter? Informal letter is a letter written to any person or friend. Okay. Informal letter is a letter written to any person or friend who is there in your personal life. Personal life may, beta personal life mean as in your around you. What? Who are the people? Who are the people? Like
Personal
your
life.
friends, your family are there always.
Yes.
Yeah. So whatever, whichever letter you write to your friends and your family, that is known as for informal letter. Okay. Okay, beta.
Okay.
Yeah. So how would you tell this routine in a letter form to a friend? How will you tell these routine? There is a routine like you, okay, mommy, my house, my office, my trip in 1 trip in 2 months. आप ये जो incidents है, ये जो arrangement है, आप अपने friend को किस तरह से बताएंगे?
Mummy was telling me,
Yeah.
yeah.
What? How will you say this?
एक बार sentence फिर से बोलिए ना.
Nothing, beta. This routine is here. You, your house, your office, 1 trip in 2 months. आप ये जो आपका routine है ये.
Yes, yes. एक बार
आप
sentence.
इसको अपने how will you tell this to your friend? How will you tell this to your friend?
Which thing, ma'am?
The routine. Okay, let me help you out with this. Like, hi friend, I hope you are good, you are fine. Here, I'm telling you about it. I'm telling you something about my routine. Okay, so here I just wake up to, yeah, what?
I'm telling one superstar lifestyle.
Yeah, that is kind of things. Okay, so what you will be saying that, yes, hello friend, I hope you are fine, doing very well. And here I am writing a letter to you so that I can share my schedule with you. So what is my routine? My routine is I wake up early in the morning at my house, and then I get up and I get ready and I go to my office. From the office I work very hard there, and then after working very hard, so hard, I get opportunity of having a vacation, of having vacation twice a year. So I get opportunity of having vacation twice a year, so I go anywhere in this world, anywhere in this earth, any country out of the country do we live at least once in 2 months. So after every 2 months I go to a trip. So I hope you also will be joining me in the next trip. I hope you are doing well, and we'll meet soon. Yours, your friend Ayush Nagar.
Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am. You're not listening to the letter which I'm telling you. तो ध्यान से सुनो थोड़ा सा भी, कुछ भी.
मैंने सुना.
So
मैम
what did
लास्ट
I?
में मैं वहाँ वहाँ चला गया तो उधर.
So in the at last, what I was saying that after getting up and getting ready for the office, I go to my office and I work very hard. So in that office, when I work very hard, I receive vacation in every 2 months. So I go abroad to any country for a vacation, I just make one trip within 2 months. So this is my schedule. So I hope we will meet soon. Your friend Ayush Nagar. आप समझे बेटा लेटर में किस तरह से अपना रूटीन बताना है, बताया गया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why do we write informal letter? Why do we write it? We write to know the well-being of the person, है ना? If you will write, you just imagine you are staying away from your family. So what you write, you will write letter to your parents, right? आप अगर घर से दूर रहते हैं तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स को लेटर लिखेंगे, right?
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना? So what you would like to know about your parents, that they are fine or not, है ना? That they are fine or not, they're doing well or not, है ना? That is why we write informal letter, to communicate a message, to tell them a message, or to share any personal experience. आप कोई personal experience share करने के लिए letter लिख सकते हो. आपको कोई advice या guidance चाहिए, then also you can write a letter. Then you want to reply any letter, आप तब भी एक letter लिख सकते हो. To just create a memory, एक memory के लिए, एक याद के लिए आप अपने sister को, brother को, किसी को भी आप letter लिख सकते हैं. Okay, and then किसी फ्रेंड को, किसी फैमिली मेंबर को स्पेशल फील कराने के लिए, लाइक फॉर बर्थडे विशेस, फॉर एनिवर्सरी विशेस, फॉर सेइंग गुड लक बिफोर एग्जाम्स, you can write letter to your family or friends, right? Am I speaking very fast? Mujahid, you're on mute. Am I speaking very fast?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I should speak a little slowly. You guys are understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, what we will be understanding format. सबसे पहले हम क्या समझेंगे बेटा? हम format समझेंगे. Okay. What we will be understanding? The format. है ना? What is being written and where. Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
सबसे पहले, first of all, what comes? The sender's address. है ना? सबसे पहले क्या आता है? भेजने वाले का एड्रेस.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? सबसे पहले we will write about the sender's address. Okay, then we will be writing date. है ना? फिर हम date लिखेंगे. Then who is the receiver of the address of the letter? Sorry, Mujahid, concentrate. Okay, so who is the receiver of the letter? उसका नाम लिखेंगे हम. Okay. Next, उसके बाद हम letter लिखना start करेंगे. Okay, letter will be there within 3 paragraphs. सबसे पहले introductory paragraph, then उसका आप जिस बारे में लिखना चाहते हैं, the body of the letter, and then the conclusion. Okay, then you will write your friend, your dear friend, and then आप अपना signature. ठीक है बच्चे? ठीक है बेटा? Now, in this format क्या क्या आता है बेटा? Sender's address come. Everybody be very attentive here. I'm telling you the format. इसके accordingly आपको लिखना है. Okay. So format में सबसे पहले क्या आता है बेटा? At the first place, what comes?
Address.
No, sender's address. Yes.
And date. Date and
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Okay. So first of all, the date. Sorry, sender's address. Then the date. Then after The person who will receive your letter. है ना? Then the salutation means आप अपने friend को किस तरह से greet करते हो, like your loving friend or your faithfully, like this, and then आप close करेंगे कि I hope you will be doing well, you will be fine, and like that. ठीक है? Okay बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Now, your words, आप किस तरह का language use करोगे? The language should be accurate.
Accurate means
Okay, the language should be accurate. आपको correct language का use करना है. Okay बच्चे? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
This is an example. Okay, I'm telling you a question that you are Shalini or Shivam. I have two Shivam in my class. Now, अब आप लोग शिवम बन गए हो, ठीक है? Write a letter to your friend. Why you will be writing a letter to your friend? That you are describing your boarding school. You have been in your boarding school. आप दोनों को boarding school भेज दिया
Ma'am,
गया
what
है.
is boarding school?
Boarding school is a kind of school where children stay also, and then there is a school also as well.
Oh.
Okay, that is a place where school and hostel is
yes.
together. Okay, children live there also, and they study to the school away from their house. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so that kind of school is known as boarding school. So you have been sent to the boarding school, and you have to write a letter to your friend, और उस friend को आपको बताना कि how is your boarding school.
Okay.
Now see how it is being written, and each and every part is mentioned here. ठीक है? First of all, sender's address, भेजने वाले का address. If sender's address is not given in the question, you will write any address of your own. आप अपना कोई भी address लिख सकते हैं when any address is not given to you. Okay? Okay. सुने बेटा?
I didn't understand. No, no, yes, yes. Last second one. Record.
What? Let us go step by step. ठीक है? The first step is sender's address. If there is no address given in the question, you will write any address of your choice. Okay. Next, the date in which you are writing the letter. Okay. And then your friend's name. Dear Rajiv, dear Priya, dear Raj, anything you can write. Any friend of yours. Okay. Then see. Now you will have to notice that the letter is written into 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraph में लिखा है. ठीक है? First paragraph is the introduction. है ना?
मेरा नाम also.
Yes, like I hope you are fine, doing well. I have come here. You up introduction देंगे बेटा. कि why you have writing the letter? You are just introducing the problem that it has been 2 months since I have come to the boarding school and many more things like that. Okay. Then the next paragraph, next segment is the body. यहाँ पे आप actually वो लिखेंगे जो आप लिखने के लिए letter लिखे हो, ठीक है? I am extremely happy to be part of the school. Here you will be writing about the school. Okay, the classes and dormitories are very spacious. They are well equipped. Science lab and library with great collection of the books. Ayush, continue reading where I have stopped. उसके बाद से read करो जरा. Where I have stopped reading. Start reading from there.
The school has amazing sports facilities such as swimming pool, lawn, tennis courts, and an
Archery.
archery range.
Very good.
I
Now
we
wait. The third paragraph is the closure. जहाँ पे आप letter को close कर रहे हो. ठीक है? You are closing the letter. Yeah. Go on, read.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I believe my life will be
Exciting.
exciting and eventful. I thought although I have made many new friends, I still miss you and the other friends. Please play my
Regards.
regret
Regards means respect.
regards to
जैसे like whenever you go to any of your friend's house, you say namaste auntie, namaste uncle, like that, those kind of greetings. You must be greeting in a different way, right? Mujahid, how you greet? What you say? What are your gestures? आप किस तरह से अपने friend के parents को greet करते हो? Huh?
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. And Ayush, how you do?
Namaste.
Yes. So there are many more ways of greeting somebody. It is just you are paying respect to your elders, है ना? So as you cannot write namaste or assalamu alaikum or any other word here, so आप क्या बोलेंगे? आप मेरी तरफ से अपने parents को regards देना. That means respect देना, है ना? Greet करिएगा. Regards is that. It is that. Now, then after what comes? Salutation. आप यहाँ पे complimentary close कर रहे हो. Your sincerely, your lovingly, your truly, then your name. Shalini or Shivam. Okay? Now, note down this question. Note down this question.
I
And
click
guys, read the question.
You are Madhur Mihika Sharma.
Madhur or Mehika Sharma.
Your grandparents informing them about your trip to Delhi. Also write about that all you saw one your trip and how much you miss them.
Yes, Ayush. God bless you. Read the question and explain the question explain the question to me. What you have understood the question.
You are Madhur Mihika Sharma. Write a letter to your grandparents informing that about your trip to Delhi. Also write about what all you saw on trip and how much you missed them.
Yeah. So what you have to do?
I have to write a letter on
to your grandparents, to your
to
dada
your
dadi.
grandparents.
Yes.
कि मैं
And what
trip
you
पे
will
जा
be
रहा हूँ
telling
दिल्ली,
them about?
कि मैं दिल्ली की ट्रिप पे जा रहा हूँ और उन्हें ये बताना है कि मैंने उन्हें कितना ज्यादा
आप जा नहीं रहे हो, आप जाके आ चुके हो. अब दिल्ली का ट्रिप कर चुके हो.
Oh.
Then what you have to write? You have to write what all you saw on your trip and how much you missed them in that trip.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So will you be able to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here I'm telling you that how much time we should take to write a letter. Like if the topic is you are inviting any friend, है ना, तो आप introduction 20 to 30 words में लिखेंगे, and it should not take more than 5 minutes to write that introduction. Okay, है ना? Now the body of the paragraph, body of the letter, it should take 50 to 60 words. Okay, 50 to 60 words, and 8 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं लेंगे आप to write the content, the body. Okay.
Okay.
Next, the closing paragraph. It is again like 20 to 30 words only, and you will not take 5 minutes. So overall, within 15 minutes, your informal letter should be completed. Okay. Your informal letter should be completed within 15 minutes. Are you understanding? Mujahid, within 15 minutes, your letter should be completed. Concentrate here. Okay, I have told you, do not waste that much time writing, thinking what address should I write. Write any address which you want. If address is given to your question, write that address. If it is not given, you can write any address of your mind. Nobody is going to check that address is correct or not. Okay, because we are writing this for the practice purpose. हम real life में नहीं लिख रहे, हम practice purpose के लिए लिख रहे हैं. That is why you can write any address of your will. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Take your hands out of your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth. Understood? You guys will be doing this. बनेगा
Yes,
करते,
ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So alcove is the word of the day. What is the word of the day? It is alcove.
Ma'am, I think this is avocado.
No, this is not at all avocado. This is alcove. This is what? This is like corridor. ये एक छोटी सी जगह होती है ना, जो कि बड़े रूम की तरफ खुलती है.
Oh.
An alcove. Alcove is a little place. It is a small place which opens in a larger or bigger room.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache? So, how will you use the word alcove in a sentence? Like, is the alcove deep enough for bookshelf?
Ma'am, my nail is very.
Yeah. Or else, what we can write? One more sentence I'm making, huh? Okay, I've made an alcove in which I can keep my water bottles. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So alcove is a place which opens to a greater area or a larger room. समझ में आया बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
be giving you homework. ठीक है? I will be giving you homework of letter writing. आप दोनों को properly करना है. Okay? If you will forget about the format, go to the past classes. ठीक है बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll meet on Tuesday again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yeah.
there is a homework.
I will be giving you the homework. Don't worry, Bitti. Don't worry at all. Okay, so we'll meet on Tuesday now. Till then,
Yes, ma'am.
eat healthy, sleep well, have fun.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, Muzahid. Go, you're a free bird now. Play as many games you want to play.
And don't end.
You saying something?
No.
Okay. Go have fun and do the homework again, huh?